NEET 2018 Set H question number 7. An object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeters from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. If the object is placed through a distance of 12 towards the mirror, the displacement of the image will be. So initially, according to the question, the value of ui is minus 40 centimeters and the value of fi is minus 15 centimeters. And we know that the value of 1 by f is equal to 1 by vi plus 1 by ui. So through this, we can calculate the value of vi, which we get as minus 24 centimeters. So now the value which is minus 20 centimeter and value of f, which is meters, can be put to calculate the value of vi. And similarly, the value of vf as minus centimeters. So we have the value of vi and we have the value of vf. So now we have to calculate the shift of the image. And we get that by subtracting 24 from 60, which gives us 36 centimeters away from the mirror. Therefore, the correct answer is option number 4.